Basically, this AND gate performs the multiplication operation. When 0 into 0 is multiplied, the result is 0. 0 into 1 is also 0, 1 into 0 is also 0. But when we multiply 1 with 1, we get 1. So now let's jump into this AND gate and understand what is inside it and how it functions. So this AND gate is constructed using two transistors connected in series. Here both the transistor works as a switch, and now we'll see when the input to both the transistor is 0, both the switch acts as open switch. So we'll not get this VCC voltage in output, and that is why the output is 0. Now we'll give A as 1 and B as 0. So when A is 1, this transistor gets turned on and we'll get this VCC up to here, but this transistor is still off, so we do not get any signal in output, and that is why the output voltage is still 0. Now if we reverse this input like A 0 and B 1, so when A is 0, this transistor stays off and this transistor stays on, but still the result is 0. But now when both the signals are 1, what happens? Both the transistor 1 and transistor 2, they both gets turned on and we'll get this VCC voltage in output, and that is why our signal will become high or 1, and that is how this AND gate functions. As per this truth table, if we observe, then we can say that the output Y is the multiplication of both the inputs A and B. The next gate we are going to understand, that is OR gate.
And to learn that, let's quickly jump to the next video.